Let's introducing Estalky new series of PLC radio. This is entry E210. This is business critical E220, and this is the industry PLC radio for municipal. Now today we test with the mobile Tornado PLC platform, the very stable quality PLC platform in the world. This is our E210, the entry 4G LTE USB. It's a dedicated PTT buttons, volume, knob, as well as belt clip. And this is our another business critical E220 with 2.8 touch screen, high resolution, dedicated PTT button, knob, OS, and also belt clip. This is our another industry large screen, HD screen, PLC radio with smartphone function with dedicated PTT button, volume, knob, and M6 connector and belt clip. Okay, now just have a quick test with MT platform for the voice quality, how it goes. Hello, testing. Okay, and I will also use this one to test. Hello. Testing. And you will also see the, let's say, the knob. We can also switch. One. Yeah, to turn us off. Okay, each one we have dedicated to make the PTT button works, and also the knob for channel switch.
Radio 4, Radio 3.
Yeah, and this one also works.
拉迪奥2，拉迪奥1，拉迪奥4。
Yeah, like that, and also like SOS. The emergency buttons. Let's have try.
3秒.
Okay, so this the overall of the entry, touchscreen, large screen PLC radio series, all work well with MT platform. If you want to learn more details, you can contact with our sales and engineer.